Welcome to our presentation on GSAMS project. This project was conducted in order to complete the subject requirements of Programming Language Design Concepts of Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology. So, what is GSAMS? GSAMS is a system that provides secure computing as well as secure software distribution. GSAMS means Global Software Activation and Monitoring System. This begins with all the feelings of human mind. The cause of this feeling we can say as curiosity. So why people get curiosity? Curiosity gets involved in people because when they have something close to them or not accessible for them. So when they have such things, so they tend to hack or crack such things. So and when they do that, that's not so ethical in computing environment. So we decided to propose a system in such a way that we can do, or world can do, ethical computing. So this system will provide tracking software product installations, tracking location of the PC and network where the product is installed, finding any computer viruses, infections, ensure the security of computer of the company. So this all provide secure computing as well as data protection and secure software distribution. Secure software distribution needed because recent total secure softwares as the companies describe has been cracked to the people who don't have license, such as for example Microsoft announced that their Microsoft Vista operating system is a full secured operating system that cannot be cracked by anyone. So by somebody in the world has cracked it and stopped the time of the software expiration time. So anyway, some people can find a way to crack or hack into someone's computer. So by introducing our GSAMS system, we try to reduce these security issues. Okay, in order to get our functionalities of our system, we use nowadays leading technologies in the world, such as GSM technology to connect to the internet via SIM, which is provided in the motherboard of your computer, and memory cards are used in order to install a secure copy of software that is provided to your computer as well as to the distributed network of your computers. And in order to track your computer and as well as the software, we use the SIM and connection via net connection providers such as mobile network connection, such as in Sri Lanka, such as Mobitel and Dialog or Sri Lanka Telecom or Celtel. So this will we hope this system will provide secure computing and secure distribution of software.
I'll be explaining the background of GSAMS system. With the rapidly changing business environment, it is rather more important to develop, implement and adapt to various technologies available in order to improve the efficiency, effectiveness and to reduce the complexity of various tasks performed by them. With the improvement of the technologies from time, we could adapt in various applications. Various kinds of software activation and monitoring systems are used by software companies. Among them, web-based software activation process is recognized as the best and secure method. Rather than it, telephone-based product activation is also used. Fewer number of small software producers use serial number-based product activation methodology. The Microsoft Corporation uses its own way of product activation system called Genuine Advantage Validation for Microsoft Windows XP, which interconnects the user and their database through World Wide Web to validate the product. But it's not a secret that Windows Genuine Advantage Crack is freely available in the internet. Even Microsoft announces that their recently released version of Windows which is in Windows XP, is having the highest security. The patch is built to stop the day counter of the trial period. It's our intended purpose to design a secure architecture to keep software products from getting hacked.
Okay, I am going to talk about objective parts. Our intention of proposing GSAMS system is to prevent making and distribute counter copies of genuine softwares, prevent hacking into the system and making part to monitor computer system and network in the centralized manner. The customer important thing is to combine both GSM, global system for mobile, communication system and communication technology in order to make a new area information technology. This methodology will lead the globe to make the mobile communication into the computer system desktop. To introduce GSAMS as an architecture for genuine computer software installation, to give maximum customer satisfaction to the end user, to give the value GSM service provider, promote newly introduced SSMC architecture for memory cards.